Hey guys, like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you could always be notified. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hey, down the center. That's my dirt bike right there. I'm gonna be driving it.